One thing for sure, if you have duty, you got to walk around. Okay, sit and have lunch with them once in a while. Sit at the tables with the kids. Talk to the kids. Say, hey, how's those tater tots treating you? Whatever, you know, I'm on the orator commercial thing here. Yeah, how's this? Whoa, those are French toast sticks. Never seen those before. You know, some of the stuff that we see in the cafeteria. We walk around, we talk to them, we say, hey, you know, take that raisin out of his ear. And if you got one in your ear, take it out too. Okay, just in case. You know, we just kind of talk to it, and we go around and we have fun with it. Cafeteria duty should be fun. Is it going to be loud? Yes, it's going to be loud. Put 100 kids in a room like this, with the acoustics like this, with food in front of them, it's going to be loud. Don't have silent lunch. What I hate more than anything is that when and we can say, hey guys, bring it down, bring it down, bring it down, bring it down, and maybe we're all doing this. Guys, bring it down, bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. And that's kind of our signal, and kids go, oh, here they come with this. And then all of a sudden, whoa, you know, it's like, yeah, bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. And then they're all like, whoa, every time they do that, the kids bring the voice down. Every time the voice comes back up, they see adults going around the room like this, and then the voice comes down again. And they actually have a little fun with it. And you get all your steps in cafeteria duty too, by the way. All right? So why are we looking at his duty? I'm going to duty. I'm going in. I'm going in. It should be that you can make connections with every single kid in cafeteria duty. And you know what? And they clean up after themselves. We don't clean up after them. All right, that's become a big problem too. And then a kid says to me, I threw away somebody else's tray. And I go, that was very responsible. Thank you for doing that. Let's keep on going. They go, where's my prize? Yeah, no. That's an expectation in our school.